Hello friends, now I am going to talk with you regarding the examination GMAT, Graduate Management Admission Test. So the students who are interested to take admission for MBA course, this GMAT examination is very important at global level. Admissions in graduate management programs of business schools across the globe, it is possible by the entrance examination GMAT, which is after your graduation. The medium of examination is in English, and it is Indian students. Now they are having very good hit ratio in GMAT examinations. We have seen in so many years the Indian graduates, they are scoring very high scores and getting admissions into good colleges. GMAT examination is conducted throughout the year. So the frequency of examination is not once, but it is throughout the year you can appear for the examination. Last time that what we seen is the duration of this examination was 3 hours and 7 minutes. Surprisingly, the score of this GMAT examination is not applicable only for 1 or 2 years, but the score is applicable, it is valid for 5 years. This is a good news for the students who are interested to appear for GMAT examination, and they are also busy in their jobs and employment. So the score is valid for 5 years. The score is useful in not only 1 or 2 countries, but it is useful for the admission purpose in around 110 countries. So this is again a very important parameter by which we can decide that which examination we are going to appear and what are the benefits. So this is the benefit, that we can go into around 110 countries with the score of GMAT, that is Graduate Management Admission Test. Score is useful in 110 countries and 2,300 universities. So it is a big number, 2,300 universities. My score is useful, so the chances to get admission via GMAT for MBA course, it is very easy if we prepare hard for this examination. Now, this score is useful for the various 7,000 programs, not only MBA, but the programs which are concerned with management education. Around 7,000 various programs we can use this GMAT score. And again, a good news is there is no negative marking for GMAT examination. The examination mode is online or offline, or by examination application. It is by mail also we can apply for this examination. And entrance level is at international level, as we said that it is international examination. And the eligibility, there is any graduate can apply for GMAT examination, and there is no upper age limit. Any student having completed graduation and the age 18 years completed age, the student can appear for GMAT examination. Now, number of attempts, you can have 8 times in lifetime. You can appear for 8 times in lifetime for GMAT examination, and surprisingly you can appear for 5 times in a year. Only you have to keep a gap of 16 days for this appearing for this examination. So GMAT is very friendly examination for the students who are having interest to get admissions for MBA course at global level. Lot many countries, lot many universities, so many courses you can use this score. The score validity is also for 5 years, and the 8 times you can appear for this examination. In a year also you can focus for 1 year, you can focus for GMAT examination and appear 5 times in a year. Almost 650 centers are there. Let us see some of the examination pattern facts for the GMAT examination. We are having 4 test sections. One is analytical writing assessment, second is integrated reasoning, third is quantitative reasoning, and fourth is verbal reasoning. Now, when we see analytical writing assessment, 30 minutes per question, and there is analysis of an argument, you can score in the range of 0 to 6, and in 0.5 point increments we can have in 0.5 point increments you can have the score. So one question 30 minutes is the time limit for analytical writing assessment, and one must be very much perfect in English language in this case. Integrated reasoning, here 30 minutes are there for 12 questions, and some part is related to your mental ability. Graphics representation is there, table analysis, multi-score reasoning, and two-part analysis. So you have to use your brain in proper way. You have to solve 12 questions in 30 minutes, and score range is 1 to 8 in 1 point increments. Now the third is quantitative reasoning, where 31 questions are there and 62 minutes you have to give for that. Data sufficiency and problem solving is one of the important parameter to judge the manager, and this examination is for MBA entrance. So data sufficiency and problem solving is the question type, and the score range is from 6 to 51 in 1 point increments. The last is verbal reasoning, where you have to appear for 36 questions in 65 minutes, and the content is reading comprehension, critical reasoning, and sentence correction. Again, the part is related to your English. 6 to 51 is the score range in 1 point increment. So this is all about GMAT examination. All the best for those students who are appearing for GMAT examination, and you can go any part of the globe where GMAT score is applicable for MBA admission. So all graduates, be ready. The students who are who have completed 18 years of age, there is no upper age limit. So all the best for this GMAT examination. Thank you.